Ever tried to get that clean, cel-shaded look without fighting broken shaders for hours? This pack aims to save you that headache with a one-click outline system that looks genuinely great on first try. The real win here is the outline tool. It's dead simple to dial in exactly how thick or thin you want those black edges, and you can tweak diffuse, specular, and rim lighting per object. For a quick prototyping run, it delivers that anime-inspired vibe without wrestling with complex graphs. Setup literally takes a few clicks. Drop the shader onto a material, adjust sliders, and you're done. It works with transparent materials and baked lighting too, so you can chain it into your existing URP scene fast. Folks who grabbed it say the visual payoff is huge for the price, especially the outline system. It's a budget-friendly way to add a stylized signature look. The catch, it's not stable in production. Expect weird rendering glitches in URP and sparse docs if you want to customize. Stick to quick prototypes or side projects, not client builds. At $2.08, that's less than a coffee for a fun weekend shader playground. Treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut this week. Link in the description. If you have ever tried to make a car feel right in Unity, you know how painful tuning wheel colliders and tire friction can be. This asset handles all of that with a single prefab you can drive in seconds. It comes with AI, enter-exit systems, damage modeling, and support for any four-wheeled vehicle. You can go from a blank scene to a fully functional racetrack with opponents in under 10 minutes. The physics engine is polished to feel great on both keyboard and gamepad. Customization is deep without being overwhelming. Change suspension, engine torque, gear ratios, even tire marks and smoke effects. And it works across all render pipelines, so your visual style doesn't break. With nearly 300 reviews and a 4.6 average, this is the most trusted vehicle solution on the store. Users call it the gold standard for good reason. Support can be slow or silent when you hit a bug, especially on newer Unity versions. Plan for self-debugging if you rely on it for a commercial project. Back up your workflow. Only $2.40. Freelancers charge 10 times that for one custom rig. Grab it for your next driving game and ship faster. Link below. Staring at a static title screen? It takes one import to turn that into a smooth, Valorant-style animated header. Perfect for giving your game that polished, professional first impression. There are 20 motion titles with clean slide, fade, and bounce animations. You can recolor, refont, and tweak timing right in the inspector without touching a line of code. The included editor tools let you preview and bundle your own style presets. Because it builds on UGUI, it plays nice with any existing UI layout. You just drop a title prefab onto your canvas, choose an animation direction, and hit play. That's it. Early buyers love how it elevates their UI with minimal effort. It's a quick win for game jams or commercial releases that need a sleek look. Templates are rigid. Customizing layout beyond the preset spacing takes extra work. Also, the out animations have forced timing that can feel awkward if you need dynamic context changes. $10 exactly. For 20 animatable titles, that works out to 50 cents per animation. A clean drop-in that saves hours of tweens. Link in the notes. Sculpting terrain by hand is slow. This node-based tool works like Photoshop layers for landscapes, generating height maps, splats, and object placements in real time using GPU compute. It's a game changer for prototyping large worlds. The layer system lets you stack erosion, color maps, foliage, and rocks non-destructively. Change a node upstream, and everything updates instantly. It also handles multi-tile setups, so you can paint across huge maps seamlessly. Performance is ridiculous. Compute shaders mean you get real-time feedback, even with complex rule sets. You can tweak splat thresholds, object density, and height constraints on the fly, and see results immediately. Over 200 reviews with a 4.6 average. Artists appreciate that it makes naturalistic terrain a breeze once you climb the initial learning curve. The UI is dense and the documentation lags behind, making the first hour frustrating. Also, sharing terrain materials between scenes is a pain. Stick with it through one tutorial, then it clicks. $2.70. For that, you skip 40 hours of hand modeling a single biome. Weekend project fuel right here, link below. Dynamic weather, volumetric clouds, day-night cycles, and even seasonal vegetation changes all in one system. It sounds too good to be true, and for modern pipelines, it kind of is. When it works, the results are gorgeous. You get layered volumetric clouds that cast real-time shadows, lightning storms that feel alive, and a calendar system that drives time-based audio. The API is well documented for custom scripting. You can control everything from cloud density and color to rain intensity and wind direction. It also includes cloud shadows that move across the terrain, adding massive depth to outdoor scenes. Nearly 200 reviews keep it at 4 stars, with many praising the visual quality when paired with the built-in render pipeline. It's a cult favorite for atmospheric worlds. URP and newer Unity versions are a nightmare. Expect broken shaders and missing features unless you stick with built-in. Customer support is often unresponsive. Only buy if you're on legacy renderer. $3.60. For $5, you skip 40 hours of hand modeling. Wait, that's $3.60. At this price, it's less than the late fee on your last parking ticket. Grab it for a legacy project. Creating a winding dirt road by hand with terrain tools is tedious and ugly. This tool lets you paint a path that automatically reshapes the ground, retextures it, and clears foliage along the way in one stroke. It also handles ramps, riverbeds, plateaus, and auto-stitches terrain tiles. The natural blend algorithms make paths look like they belong, not like a hard cut. You can adjust width, slope, and curve in real time. Documentation is excellent, and the developer is famously responsive on Discord. There's a solid API for procedural generation too, so you can script your own road-building logic. Near Perfect 4.9 with 45 reviews. Users call it a must-have for RPG worlds. The support alone is worth the price. No runtime path generation, so you can't create roads during gameplay. Also, some users find initial setup slightly confusing, but the Discord community helps fast. $2.34. If one client project uses it, you have paid it off 100 times over. Huge time saver for terrain artists. Link below. You need a fireball, a healing aura, a smokescreen, or an area of effect blast that looks like an anime opening. This bundle has over 70 stylized effects ready to drag into your scene. Each effect comes with matching sound effects, over 100 of them. The VFX are handcrafted with smooth animation curves and vibrant colors. You get impact sparks, charged attacks, shield bubbles, and more. All 253 prefabs are organized by category, so you can quickly find what you need. The shaders are optimized for performance, with texture sizes from 256 to 2048, so you can scale quality per platform. 28 reviews give it 4.5 stars. Buyers love the visual quality and the sheer variety. It's a top pick for action RPG and fighting game developers. Out of the box, it only works with built-in render pipeline. You have to email the developer to get URP or HDRP versions. That extra step is annoying, but the effects are worth it. $3.30. For 253 effects, that is about 1 cent per prefab. Clean drop-in visual punch for your project. Link in the description. Beautiful water with foam, reflections, and underwater effects can transform your scene. This legacy asset does that well. If you are still on the built-in pipeline and don't mind patching compilation errors. It includes 12 flat water shaders for different platforms, with depth-based color changes, foam lines, and a full underwater mode that adds blur and bubbles. Integration with Gaia works out of the box for terrain-based scenes. Setup is quick via the setup window, and you get control over wave height, reflectivity, refraction, and shore blending. It also supports multiple water planes for lakes or oceans in the same scene. Nearly 200 reviews keep it at 4.2 stars. People praise the visual results when they get it running, especially the underwater atmosphere. No URP or HDRP support at all. The code is old and prone to compile errors you must fix manually. Performance spikes from post-processing are common. Only buy if you are locked into built-in pipeline and willing to debug. $2 exactly. For $20 retail, you are getting 90% off. If you have a built-in project, this water is a steal. Link below. You want vehicle physics that feel good and don't lock you into a black box. AQUAS gives you clean C# source, a single component to control everything, and it runs in minutes. The vehicle controller component handles all physics: acceleration, steering, suspension, drifting. You swap behavior presets for arcade or simulation. Add damage, audio, tire marks, and custom gravity as modular add-ons. Pre-made prefabs cover street, truck, racing, and drift vehicles. You can rig your own model and set up the physics in minutes. The garbage collector-friendly code means no runtime allocation spikes. 176 reviews at 4.7. The developer, Eddie, is legendary for personal, fast support. That alone gives confidence for professional use. Fine-tuning the perfect handling takes time and deep understanding of the parameters. Some shader quirks with URP for skid marks. Also, the naming can be confused with the Pro version, so read carefully. $3.60. For that, you skip weeks of building your own wheel collider system. Business ROI? If one client project uses it, you have paid it off 100 times over. Link in description. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history. Deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store. All updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. You have a 2D game, but no art budget for custom monster sprites. This pack gives you 5 classes plus 18 bosses, each with 7 or more animations ready in spine format. Every character has attack, run, idle, damage, death, and special animations like gap closer or happiness. The boss rigs include unique moves like skill and double attack. No spine software needed, just the free Spine Unity runtime. All 113 spine files come with matching Unity prefabs. You drag a boss into your scene, assign the animations via the animator, and it's ready. The developer is super responsive if you need help blending or retargeting. All 5 reviews are 5 stars. Users specifically praise the variety and the patience of the developer when helping with spine integration. It's a reliable choice. The pack is expensive at full retail, $120, but today it's $360. Still, if you need only one monster type, you might overbuy. But the collection is huge, so you will use it. $3.60. For that, you get a full 2D bestiary that would cost thousands to commission. Treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut this week. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.